Hello sir, this is our FMT 2100 made in India adult pediatric turbine based ventilator for ICU purpose. This is the user interface from the front side. Let's talk about its back's physical dimensions. So these are the attachments you're gonna find here. First of all, we have our oxygen supply. This one is for the high pressure supply, this one is for the low pressure supply. This one is your external pressure valve. Then your turbine's filter. This is the area from where the turbine is sucking the air from the atmosphere. Then your power on off button, power cable connection, your fan. This one is the speaker. Let's move towards the front side. So first of all, we have our 10-inch TFT display. If you have to adjust any kind of settings or parameters, then you can go that with the help of touch. Then you have your encoder to help the same, standby button, your alarm silence button. On the left side, you're gonna find some indicators about alarm, standby, trigger, etc. This one is your autoclavable expiratory valve. If you are using on a cough patient or any patient, you don't need to attach any kind of HME filter on this port. This one is your nebulizer, your inspiratory. This one is your auto cell connection. Okay, all the attachments are done successfully, like the patient circuit and that test lung. Now I turn on the device. So first interface is select patient type. We're gonna select new patient. Then it comes with pediatric or adult. We're gonna select the adult. You can also select the pediatric patient. Then further setting for male and female. We selected male. Then the body weight setting. Now we have these arrows. This one will gonna increase the value, this one will gonna decrease the value. Okay, we also do the change in value with the help of encoder also, like this way. If we rotate it anti-clockwise, it is decreasing. If we rotating it clockwise, it's increasing. So now I am going to confirm this 50 kg patient weight. After that, we have our operating modes and the parameters regarding to the mode. Like first of all, the pressure control ventilation, these are the parameters. Then volume control ventilation, these are the parameters. All the modes having different parameters, which we gonna set for the requirement of the patient, like this way. If we talk about its modes, then the machine have both invasive and non-invasive modes. Even though we are providing you HFNC mode also in this ventilator. If you having the ventilator in your ICU, then you don't need to purchase any kind of HFNC machine. In the HFNC mode, you're gonna find the maximum flow of 100 LPM. If you having any patient of like 100 kg or 110 kg, then the machine will support to that patient also. In the BiPAP, you have the IPAP of 100 centimeter per wattage. Also, this mode have the same. If you have any patient of overweight like 100 kg or 110 kg or 120 kg, then the machine will gonna support to the patient. The IPAP is 100. Even the CPAP mode having the apnea backup ventilation. Okay, so now we're gonna start the ventilation of the device. Like our FiO2, we didn't attach any kind of external FiO2 to the ventilator. These are the parameters we are going to operate on the ventilator. So let's confirm this. While the ventilation getting settled, let me tell you about the additional feature of the ventilator also. This one is your screen lock and unlock. While you were using the ventilator on the patient, sometimes we face some kind of problems that some matrons, they change the values of the parameters which we are providing to the patient. To overcome that kind of problems, we introduced this screen lock option in our ventilator also. With the help of this, if you lock the screen, then your screen will not work. Wherever you touching on the screen, it will not gonna work. Okay, if you having the knowledge, then you gonna unlock the option first, then after that you can change your parameters. Okay, so now you having your pressure, flow and volume, all the graphs on the display. Here you having your battery percentage. These are your measure parameters. If we talk about our monitoring parameters, like on the display you're gonna find 6 measuring parameters, but